Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new Tiki Totem seed in the Grow Garden game of Roblox summer event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the summer event update has been released in Grow Garden, and when you go to the seed shop, you will see new seed right here, Tiki Totem, and every 10 minutes, this plant can mutate a nearby fruit with the Tidal Mutation. And in this update guys, we really need the tidal fruit or the fruit with the tidal mutation for this event, the tidal harvest. Basically, for this event, you need to submit the tidal fruits or tidal plants or the summer plants. And yeah, if we want to get this seed, we need to wait because it's transcendent seed, which is pretty rare. I would like to recommend you to join the admin abuse or the Weathering Wednesday, or you can simply monitor the seed from here. Maybe it's restocked. Okay guys, and that's about the new Tiki Totem seed in Grey Garden game of Roblox summer update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.